In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Notion template with ChatGPT. Welcome back, and thank you for being here. In this tutorial, I will show you a simple and practical way to generate Notion templates using ChatGPT and quickly bring them into your workspace. Whether you want to create a daily planner, a finance tracker, or any custom template to organize your projects, this method will save you time and make your workflow much more efficient. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to create, copy, and use templates from ChatGPT and Notion with just a few clicks. To begin, make sure you are logged in to your ChatGPT account. Once you are logged in, you can start generating your template by typing a prompt. For example, you could type, "Create a template for Notion," or be more specific and type, "Create a daily planner template, a finance tracker," or any type of template that fits your needs. The prompt you use depends entirely on your goals and preferences, so think about what will be most useful for your workflow. After you type the prompt, ChatGPT will generate a template based on your request. Once the template is ready, all you need to do is copy it. ChatGPT makes it easy to select and copy the content so that you can quickly transfer it to Notion without any extra formatting or adjustments. Next, switch over to your Notion account. You can choose an existing page where you want to add the template or create a brand new page for it. Once you are on the page, simply paste the copied template. Notion will automatically format the content to match your page, giving you a fully functional template that is ready to use immediately. This process allows you to create custom templates in minutes, saving time on repetitive tasks and helping you stay organized. You can continue to modify and tweak the template inside Notion, adding any personal touches or adjustments to suit your workflow. Over time, you can generate multiple templates for different projects, making your workspace more efficient, structured, and tailored to your needs. Using ChatGPT to create Notion templates is a powerful way to combine AI assistance with your productivity tools. With just a few simple steps, you can generate, copy, and paste fully functional templates directly into Notion, giving you a more organized and productive workspace in no time. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.